Absolutely, Beauty Gardeners. It's me, your seasoned gardening expert, back with more insights from over a decade of hands-on experience, ready to empower you with the incredible ability to propagate your own breathtaking red roses right from the comfort of your home. Forget those expensive chemical rooting hormones. Today, we're tapping into Mother Nature's own powerful pantry. You've undoubtedly admired those lush, vibrant red roses, their velvety petals and intoxicating fragrance. What if I told you that you could have an endless supply of these beauties, filling your garden with their splendor year after year? This method isn't just effective, it's astonishingly simple, making it accessible to absolutely everyone, even if you're just starting your gardening journey. Step-by-step rose propagation, the natural way. Let's embark on this exciting green adventure. Together. 1. Selecting and preparing your rose stem. The foundation of successful propagation lies in choosing the right material. You'll want a healthy, disease-free rose stem, ideally around 15 to 20 centimeters, about 6 to 8 inches, in length. Look for a stem that feels firm and mature, but still slightly flexible. This indicates it has the right balance of vigor for rooting. Once you have your chosen stem, the crucial first step is to carefully remove all the leaves from the base. This isn't just for aesthetics, it significantly reduces the risk of rot and ensures that the plant's energy is redirected towards forming robust new roots, rather than supporting unnecessary foliage. Point 2. The power of garlic, your natural antiseptic. Now, for one of our gardening secrets, garlic. Take a single, fresh garlic clove. Gently but firmly, rub the cut surface of your rose stem with the garlic clove. Why garlic, you ask? Garlic possesses incredible natural antiseptic properties. It acts as a protective shield, safeguarding your delicate cutting from potential infections and fungal diseases that could otherwise hinder its progress. Think of it as a natural boost, preparing your cutting for the amazing root development to come. This simple step can make all the difference in your success rate. 3. Crafting your nutrient-rich rooting solution. But we're not stopping at just garlic. We're going to create a truly potent, all-natural rooting solution by combining garlic with another readily available household item, orange peel. Grab some fresh orange peel, chop it into small pieces, and place it into a clean glass jar. Orange peel is a powerhouse of essential nutrients and vitamins, especially A, C, and E, which are fantastic for stimulating strong, healthy root growth. It also contains vital essential oils and minerals that improve the overall vitality and resilience of your new plant. Next, peel and roughly chop 3 more garlic cloves and add them to the jar with the orange peel. This dynamic duo, combined with 500 milliliters, approximately 2 cups, of hot water, creates a synergistic blend. Pour the hot water over the mixture, give it a good stir, and then let it steep for about an hour. During this time, the garlic will infuse its antifungal and antibacterial properties, while the citrus essential oils from the orange peel will begin to work their magic, promoting vigorous root development and helping your cuttings thrive without rotting. This natural elixir is truly remarkable. (4) Preparing your cuttings for success. After your natural rooting solution has steeped, strain the liquid to remove any solids. What remains is your incredibly effective, all-natural rooting potion. Now, for a clever yet simple trick to support your cuttings, use a moist sponge. Cut a small piece of sponge and make a tiny hole in its center, just large enough to snugly fit your rose cutting. This sponge will act as a seal at the top of your bottle, retaining crucial moisture and preventing the cutting from dehydrating while its roots are forming. Carefully insert your rose cutting into the hole in the sponge. It's important to position the stem so that the leaf node is facing outwards. This is where your new leaf buds will eagerly emerge. Once your cutting is secured, pour your all-natural rooting solution into a clean jar. Gently place your cutting, with the sponge, into the jar, ensuring the base of the stem is submerged in the liquid. If needed, you can use a small piece of wire or twine to provide additional upright stability for your cutting within the jar. Point 5. Creating the ideal greenhouse environment to truly maximize your success, we're going to replicate a greenhouse effect. Take a clear plastic bag and carefully place it over the entire jar, securing it tightly with tape. This creates a humid microclimate around your cutting, significantly reducing water evaporation and providing the perfect environment for root development. This enclosed space is like a cozy incubator for your new plant. Finally, place your entire setup in a cool, shaded area, completely away from direct sunlight. Direct sun can stress the young plant and cause it to wilt before it has a chance to root. A consistent, indirect light source is ideal. Patience is a virtue in gardening, and in just 5 short days, you will begin to witness the incredible magic unfold. 6. Witnessing the miracle and transplanting the moment of truth arrives. In as little as 5 days, you'll be amazed to see robust roots beginning to develop. This is a clear indicator that your natural propagation method is working successfully. Soon after, healthy new shoots will emerge, confirming the vigorous growth of your new rose plant. At this exciting point, it's time to give your rooted cutting the space and resources it needs to truly flourish. Carefully transfer the rooted cutting to a nutrient-rich pot filled with good quality potting mix. Handle the delicate new roots with extreme care to avoid damage. This new pot will provide ample room for the roots to expand and for the plant to absorb all the vital nutrients it requires for long-term health and vibrant blooms. Thank you so much for joining me on this incredible green journey here at HH Beauty Garden. Witnessing a rose cutting transform into a thriving plant, all through natural means, is one of the most rewarding experiences a gardener can have. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Share it with your gardening community and friends who share your passion, and don't forget to hit that like button to support our mission of growing beauty from the ground up. We love hearing about your gardening successes and questions. Have you tried propagating roses this way, or do you have your own natural methods you swear by? Let us know in the comments below. Until our next video, happy gardening, and may your days be filled with the color and fragrance of beautiful roses.